Hey there everyone, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel where I talk about all things holistic living. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing about my non-toxic home cleaning products. So last week's video was all about non-toxic living, what it is, how to realistically ditch and switch your products, plus I shared some really powerful testimonials of how non-toxic living can benefit your health and your wellness. If you haven't seen that video yet, then definitely go ahead and check that out. I will leave it linked right here. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the non-toxic home cleaning products that I use to clean my entire house with all of you. So like I mentioned in the previous video, I would get physically ill every time I clean my home with the conventional chemical-filled products. I would get migraines, which then I would have to take medication for, and then the medication ended up hurting my gut health. And so when I learned about non-toxic living, I knew that these products would be the first to go. But that being said, I was still super nervous to switch over my cleaning products to safe, non-toxic alternatives. I still wanted to have a clean home, and I was afraid that the all-natural plant-based products weren't going to work as well as the conventional chemical-filled products. But when I finally made the switch over to the products that you're about to see, I was so pleasantly surprised by how well they work. And actually, I found that they work so much better than what I was using before I switched over, which is truly amazing. The other thing that I love is that I have simplified everything. I used to have an entire cabinet full of different cleaning products, and now there are just a couple, which is so nice and much more affordable. Okay, so here are the products that I use. We have the Thieves household cleaner, the Thieves laundry soap, the Thieves dish soap, baking soda, and some essential oils including lemon, Purification, Citrus Fresh, Luscious Lemon, and Thieves. And that's it. I use these products to clean my entire home from top to bottom. And with these products, I make my own all-purpose cleaner, stain stick, and soft scrub. These products are all non-toxic, work really well, and are safe to use around your kids and your pets. I get them from Young Living, and I will leave them all linked down below so you can go ahead and check them out. So let's go ahead and make the Thieves Cleaner all-purpose spray. So for this, you need to grab a 16-ounce glass spray bottle. Now it's important that it's glass because essential oils can eat through plastic, and we obviously don't want that. So go ahead and grab that and then pour 1 capful of the Thieves household cleaner into the spray bottle and then fill up the rest with water. And that's it. Now, an optional step is adding some essential oils. You don't have to do this. It's good on its own, but you totally can if you want. My favorites to add include lemon or the Luscious Lemon essential oil. One, it smells so good while you're cleaning, so fresh and bright, but it also adds an extra all-natural cleaning boost because lemon essential oil is a great all-natural degreaser, so it helps remove any sticky residues. Actually, if you have any sticky residues, what you can do is just use a drop of the lemon essential oil on a tissue or a cotton ball and then just rub the area and it takes care of it right away. So back to our Thieves cleaner, screw on the spray nozzle and give it a good shake. And you are ready now to clean your entire home. So the kitchen, sinks, appliances, windows, mirrors, countertops, bathrooms, literally all the things. This also works really well as a carpet spot treatment. So if you spill something on the floor or if your kids or pets have an accident, then definitely reach for this. The Thieves household cleaner is super concentrated, and you'll find that this bottle here will last you for so long. One of these bottles can make about 29 of the 16-ounce spray bottles, and there are approximately 60 capfuls of the cleaner in each concentrate bottle. To clean your carpets, you can grab a mini carpet cleaner. Just add a half a capful of the Thieves household cleaner mixed with water to the tank. And if you just want to make a simple carpet refresher, then what I like to do is just add 1 cup of baking soda and 25 drops of lemon essential oil into a mason jar and then sprinkle that on the carpet, let it sit for about an hour and then vacuum it up. Now to clean your floors, you can grab a refillable floor mop and add a half a capful of the Thieves household cleaner mixed with water and then use that to clean your floors, and it works really well. Now my floors in my home are real hardwood, and it is not a good idea to put water on them because then they will warp. So I don't personally do this. But if you have tile floors or floors that can get wet, then this is a great option. So typically what I do for my home is I'll just sweep the floors to collect any crumbs that have fallen on the ground, and then I'll just use the Thieves all-purpose spray here as a spot treatment if I need it. The next thing I do with the Thieves household cleaner is make a DIY soft scrub. So in a glass container, mix the Thieves cleaner with some baking soda until you form a thick paste. I will use this if I need to scrub something. So I'll usually use this to clean my sink and my shower if it needs it. Otherwise, I'll just use the Thieves all-purpose spray. And so what I do is I'll just take a little bit of the soft scrub because a little goes a long way. And then using a gentle sponge, okay, no Brillo pads here. We do not need to scratch the sink, okay, so nothing hard or abrasive. And we're just going to go ahead and scrub the sink down gently. And as you can see here, there is a ton of dirt that got picked up using the soft scrub. And this is what my sink looked like when I was all done, super clean and very shiny. Now for the toilets, I will just spray the Thieves all-purpose spray in the toilet bowl and then sprinkle in some baking soda. And then I will let that sit for a little bit while I clean the rest of the bathroom. And then I'll come back and scrub it using the toilet bowl scrubber. You can also clean your jewelry with these cleaners as well. So what you want to do is just take some warm water in a small bowl and put a splash of the Thieves cleaner and a little bit of the Thieves dish soap. Put your jewelry in there, let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then go ahead and take it out, and then using a soft toothbrush or a straw cleaner, just like scrub it gently. And then when you're done, rinse your jewelry with water from the sink and you're all set. Next, if you get a lot of stains on your clothes or you have kids who get a lot of stains on their clothes, then this next DIY recipe is for you. There's 2 different things you can do. One is just using the Thieves dish soap. This thing is great to wash your dishes, but it's also great to get stains out of your clothes. I can't even tell you how many stains this thing has removed. It is amazing. And the other thing that I like to do is make an actual DIY stain stick. So here's how you do that. In a 30 ml roller bottle, which you can use a 10 ml roller bottle. So if you have that on hand because you're making rollers for other things, then just go ahead and use that just to get yourself started. I personally like the 30 ml size, so I go ahead and buy that. I just get it off of Amazon and I'll leave it linked down below. And so for this, we are going to add equal parts of the Thieves household cleaner plus the Thieves laundry soap. And then we're going to finish it off with 10 drops of lemon essential oil and 5 drops of Thieves essential oil. And that's it. There you go. You've got yourself a great all-natural, non-toxic DIY stain stick. So the way to use it is just get the item of clothing that has the stain on it damp with some water, and then either using the Thieves dish soap or your DIY stain stick, go ahead and rub that on prior to washing it. Additionally, I love to diffuse oils while I'm cleaning, especially ones that neutralize odors and purify the air. So some good ones to use are Thieves, Lemon, Citrus Fresh, and Purification. So there you go. Those are the non-toxic products that I use to clean my entire house from top to bottom, and also how I use them. I will leave a link for everything that I talked about down below in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check them out if you'd like. And just FYI, Young Living also has a couple of different bundles for these products, so definitely check those out too. If you are not yet a Young Living customer and you are ready to jump in and get started, then make sure that you see my name at checkout. This way I can help you get started and get you into our Facebook groups, which have so much information on how to use everything, plus testimonials on all of these products, which is so helpful to have at your fingertips, especially when you are brand new to non-toxic living. These products work, and they work so well. Actually, a friend shared a little experiment with me using Petri dishes, and the Thieves cleaner actually beat out some of the brand name conventional cleaners that are on the market today for fighting off bacteria, which is amazing considering that these products are completely natural and non-toxic. So it's great because you get to clean your home without exposing yourself to toxic chemicals that are found in so many other cleaners. And while you're cleaning, you're also supporting your wellness at the same time, because the Thieves oil and the lemon oil that are found in the Thieves cleaner are great to support your immune health. So total win-win. All right, you guys, so that is all I have for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to like it. Also, drop a comment down below, especially if there's a topic on essential oils and or non-toxic living that you would like me to make a video on. I really like to get feedback, and I want to make videos that you all want to see. So definitely let me know. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. It truly means the world to me, and I post new videos here on YouTube every Friday, and I would love for you to join me here on this holistic health and wellness journey that we are all on together. So with that, thank you again for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.